guys, it's 8 a.m. and I'm at DC Mall. I have my workout class and I have a few things to do today. I'm getting my hair done and I'm also getting my eyelashes done. So yeah, I'll check back in later. Bye. Because it's awkward, and now I'm off doing my lashes. I'm going to lash lift. So these are my eyelashes now. I can't find a place. Oops. Hey guys, I just finished my eyelashes. You can tell I just did a lash lift and lash tint. So now I'm walking back to Bansar Village 2 where I parked. So yeah. Hey guys, so I am in the parking lot again. It's in another mall because I'm gonna do my hair now. And oh my god, someone's watching me. So I just got hand sanitizer. I don't know how is it in your country, but in Malaysia it's really hard to get face masks and hand sanitizers now due to the coronavirus. Ooh. So when I wanted to get this hand sanitizer, the pharmacist was like, oh, you can only get one. I wanted to get two. So, but at least I managed to get one. So now I'm going to be doing my hair. So I'm done with my eyelash lift and my waxing. So now time to get my hair done. Hey guys, so I am done for this vlog. So I got my hair done and I got my eyelashes done. So yep, thanks for watching.